I think it's a great thing for, Allweld and the town, that you can have ESI here. They're a great bunch of guys to work for, creating a great relationship, and, it means that we can employ more young people and give them an opportunity for an apprenticeship. I think it's pretty special to be a part of. We're big on, giving kids opportunities for apprenticeships, and, manufacturing's obviously got a big, rich history in Maryborough, and, if we can have companies like ESI come to town and partner up with, local manufacturers, it's only a great thing, I think, moving forward for, not only Allweld, but Maryborough as well. I think working with ESI, they're just a good bunch of guys, I think it's, you know, easy to do dealings with. They're very open and honest, and communicate very well, which we like about us as well, because that's how we are, and just easy to get along with, which I think makes projects easy.